is my real test. To train them is my card.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode. Today we have a Shining Fates Pikachu V Box, and we'll be opening this pack today and check out the contents of what we get. Alright, so we'll be getting started in opening this pack, Pikachu V collection. So let's get started in opening this box. So here's a box. Inside the box is two Pikachu V promo cards. So here's one for the smaller card, and then here we have the jumbo card. So here's the jumbo card, and then here we have 4 packs. So here we have 4 packs. Ooh, we have the Charizard Vmax, 2 Charizard Vmax, and then this other one right here. So we'll put these on the side right here. Let's get started with this first pack right here. So we'll do the pack trick. All right, let's guess the energy. I guess fire. Oh wait, there's no energy for this. Okay, so first card is Cufant, Grookey, Weasel, Yanma, Trapinch. Oh, there's the energy. Team Yellow Towel, Twacky, Tropius. Ooh, a shiny Pokemon, Dedenne. And Zarude is our rare, yes. So let's get a sleeve for this shiny Pokemon, Dedenne. Put that right here. So next we'll get started with Charizard pack right here. Two, three. Energy to the front. Let's guess metal energy. Ooh, psychic. So we have Grookey, Weasel, Yanma, Trapinch, Shinx, Twacky, Floatzel, Tropius. Ooh, whoa. This looks like one of those new... Whoa! 2 cards. Cinderace Vmax and a Reshiram with this new pattern. Nice. So let's get sleeves for those 2. Got one right here. Got double hits in that pack. Nice. Now let's go to this pack right here. We got 2 pulls in that pack. 2 in 1. 2 for 1. Okay, so let's do this. Energy to the front. Okay. Let's guess the energy water. Oh no, I might have messed up the pack trick. Haha. Looks like we got a shiny Galarian Corsola. Let's put that here. Morpedo, Coughing, Glossifer, Rowlet, Cufant, Dartrix, Gym Trainer, Celebi, Lightning Energy, and an Eldegoss. We got a shiny though in that pack. So let's move this to the side. Get a sleeve for that shiny Galarian Corsola. Okay, last pack. Let's hope for that Charizard Vmax. That's the card that we're trying to get. So far, the pulls have been pretty nice. Have a shiny hit on every pack. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the back. And then the energy to the front. Let's guess the energy as fire energy. Psychic. We have 3 psychic energies in all these packs. Coughing, Horsey, Grookey, Morpedo, Spinarak, Cramorant, Rusted Shield, Dartrix, a reverse hollow Rillaboom, and Thievul Hollow. So we got that card, those cards. Nice. Sleeve this. Sleeve this guy. And let's take a review at all the cards that we got. So we got the Thievul Hollow, the shiny Galarian Corsola, the Reshiram, the Dedenne shiny, and then a Cinderace Vmax. Thanks, guys. That was a great box. Thank you for tuning in, and hope to see you guys next time. If you like this video, check out this one right here on the left and this one on the right. Thank you for watching What Stanley Said. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.